Full transparency, I can't speak to what everybody else in the industry does, but from what we hear out there, there's a lot of companies that are in our, our counterparts in our space aren't going to take on, putting in headers and changing multiple windows into a big sliding door opening. For example, one of my clients specifically had an old French door and 2 side lights, and that spanned 14 feet. We built a whole header for him and put in a 4-panel slider. The missus was just over the moon about how that opening just totally changed the look, and we did it in 2 rooms. So that's not something that we were doing a couple of years ago. And as far as I know, our main, competitors, most of them don't want to get into any of that. It's beyond what they're comfortable with. I don't know. I mean, I don't know why, and kind of doesn't matter. I just think it's cool that it's something that helps us provide more unique services for the clients that are really interested in that.